Welcome to Bio Mode, where glam lives and stories shine. Today, we spotlight a bold beauty with attitude, ambition, and unstoppable energy. The one and only Rocket Reyna. She's not just a name, she's a movement in motion. Rocket Reyna burst into the spotlight from the buzzing world of fashion reels and bold selfies. With a name as fierce as her personality, Rocket wasn't born into fame. She built it one post at a time. Raised in the heart of a creative and culturally rich family, Reyna always stood out. From early childhood, she was obsessed with style, colours and the camera, not just being in front of it, but owning it. Her journey began with casual photo shoots, smartphone snaps, and simple outfit posts. But her charisma was impossible to ignore. With a signature pout, a confident walk, and a unique fusion of street and high fashion, Rocket Reyna started gaining traction. Fast, her Instagram became a runway. Every photo, a statement. Soon, brands noticed. Reyna began working with emerging designers, beauty labels, and indie photographers. She was more than a model, she was a muse. Her unapologetic edge and raw aesthetic set her apart in a sea of filtered sameness. Here are Rocket Reyna's full body measurements, for all the fans constantly curious about the beauty behind the screen. Height, 5 feet 7 inches, 170 centimeters. Weight, 56 kilograms, 123 pounds. Bust, 34 inches. Waist, 25 inches. Hips, 36 inches. Hair color, jet black eye, color light brown dress. Size 4 US, shoe size 7 US. Her modeling portfolio spans from edgy lookbooks to classic couture shoots. Rocket Reyna is the kind of model who can turn a graffiti wall into a fashion editorial or make a plain sari look like runway gold. As of 2025, Rocket Reyna's estimated net worth sits between 45 to 50 lakhs Indian rupees, earned through sponsorship deals, clothing line tie-ups, fashion week appearances, and exclusive brand collaborations. She's also rumoured to be launching her own capsule collection soon. But what really sets her apart? Rocket Reyna is fearless. She doesn't follow trends, she creates them. Her feed is filled with confidence, colour, and a loud message. Be bold, be loud, be real. This was Rocket Reyna's rise on Bio Mode. If you're chasing your own spotlight, remember, every queen starts somewhere. Until next time, stay stunning, stay you.